Hey South Jersey, I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci. Yesterday we learned that on Sunday, a father died while saving his son in the ocean waters off of Atlantic City. That is our first fatality in the state of New Jersey when it comes to deaths in the surf zone. So what I wanted to do is point out when rip current deaths are most likely in South Jersey. Here were some of the criteria that was met on Sunday. When you have a moderate risk of rip currents, water temperatures above 60 degrees in Atlantic City and above average on top of that. And finally, and this one's the most important, it was an unguarded beach. It was before when the lifeguards were there. And so it's very important to make sure that when you do not have lifeguards on the beach to not be in the water, especially if you're a child or unexperienced in being in the water. Switching gears into our weather, dew points are sticky for a good part of the region. 70 in Atlantic City, a little bit drier as we get towards Stafford. We call it quote unquote feeling it, so it's not necessarily humid, but it's not dry either. The reason for this is all because of this low pressure system way up in Canada near the Hudson Bay. We have a little cold front here over into the Great Lakes, but more importantly, a warm front that stretches out into eastern Canada, and a cold front here which all funnels up this heat and humidity into the area, and that's why we're having our third day in a row of 90 degree plus heat, putting us in our third heat wave of 2019. We'll see here index near 100 degrees for today. Now that cold front will come through tomorrow and bring us showers and storms. Let's take a look at our future radar. 2 p.m. on Wednesday, you start to see a little bit of activity flaring up, but it's really not until the later part of the afternoon into the evening that we see these issues. Now, we're talking about isolated areas of roadway flooding, and we are on a level 1 of 5 risk of severe weather, and damaging winds are possible with this. It's going to be one of those kind of steps that we're not going to know exactly how severe the storms are going to be until they flare up. But regardless, you see here, goes into the evening, then dry for part of the overnight hours and into the morning on Thursday until we flare back up again for Thursday during the afternoon hours and into the evening, and then we'll continue to see some shower and storm risk into the weekend. For this afternoon note, it is hot, it is a little bit humid out there. Can't rule out a shower like we haven't been for much of the past 5 or 6 days here, and it is our third heat wave of 2019. Summer planner, just watch out for the heat, but otherwise no wet weather really to speak of. And the beach or the pool with temperatures in the mid-80s along the shore is looking quite nice here, but moderate risk of rip current, so be aware of that. For tonight, it turns clear again, very similar to last night. Clear sky, still muggy, temperatures about 10 degrees above average, 5 degrees at the shore. Then we go into Wednesday. It's a likely dry and sticky morning for us here. Temperatures jump up quickly, and then we go to 1 p.m. Showers and storms will start between 2 to 4. So if you all do have outdoor work or plans, focus it on the morning. Still just going to be hit or miss storms during the afternoon. In Cape May County, you might not even see showers and storms until 6 or 7 or 8 o'clock at night. Then again, this continues into the evening as well. High temperatures just getting to 90 degrees on the mainland, which would extend our heat wave into 4 days. Mainland 7-day forecast for you. We go into Thursday, afternoon showers and storms, and then that front just kind of lingers around into Friday. And Saturday, we're going to watch out to see if this actually turns into a washout here. I don't think it is just yet, but we are interacting with some tropical moisture and another cold front. It's going to be close. We're going to be pessimistic for now. Hopefully, as we get closer, we can find out more exact timing and give you some dry times there. Otherwise, weekend, Friday and Saturday, a little bit cool, only 80 degrees, 86 on Sunday, and we're drying out as we go into the beginning of next week. We'll be talking more about the thunderstorms, the heat wave, and more on our website and social media. You can follow us there. We also have a podcast coming up later this week with the state climatologist. You want to tune into that at pressofac.com/weather.